great Filipino writer said that for someone to really see Manila, one should be able to experience Quiapo. And you know what? I think there's no other way to experience it best than during this time of the year. This is my second time to come, and I'm not a religious person anymore. I mean, I was. I grew up in the church, but now I don't even remember the last time I heard mass. I guess it's the energy of the crowd that has brought me back here. You know what they said, that the country's fate depends on how smooth the procession goes, and I think that's a little bit too much. Although I'm certain that this mirrors a lot about my country, about the structure, about people and the government. You know what, as an artist, this is really something that I look forward to. You know, the texture, the feel, the sound, the people, the story is just crazy. It's just something that's really hard to replicate.